my name's Jacob from Costa Rica Overlanding. This here is our premium camper, the Barnacle. I'll just give you a quick tour of everything on the outside and then we can move on the inside so you know what you would get when renting with us. Right here is the power plant for the camper. We have two 6-volt batteries. Right here is where you fill up the water tank. We have 120 liters of capacity, or about 30 gallons. Here we have our outdoor shower. It has either hot water or cold water, a hot water heater that runs off of propane. It has a 30-liter capacity, or about 6 gallons. On both sides of the camper, we have our side storage compartments. This side has our fresh water hose and our electrical extension cord, as well as the back of the AC unit and the truck gas. This side of the camper, with the awning that's retractable, also have our Honda power generators that run the camper whenever you are wild camping. On this side of the camper, we also have outdoor speakers and big windows to soak up the views that we have here in Costa Rica. We have our queen bed up top, which is the main sleeping area for couples, with a bunch of windows throughout the whole sides of the camper that are screened and insulated to help keep the cool air in and the hot air out. Here we have our dining area. This table also folds down and this converts into an extra sleeping space. Have big storage compartments on both sides of the camper for towels, pots and pans, anything that you need to put in. We have our sink, which also has hot and cold water. Have indoor speakers for the stereo system, as well as our control center that tells you how much water is in the tank and how much juice is in the batteries, as well as our water heater switch and our water pump. We have our AC for those hot Costa Rican days. As well, we have plenty of storage for all the pots and pans. The campers come fully loaded with everything you need to sleep, cook, and clean with comfortably. We have a 3-burner stove as well as a propane oven. We have a 3-way powered fridge that runs off propane, electricity, and battery.